Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the new feature that allows you to copy rates and contractor assignments from one location to another. Before using this feature, you'll first need to enable it. Navigate to the company settings and open the Contractor tab. Then, enable the option Allow copying rate and contractor assignments between location and click Save. Once enabled, navigate to the location page and open the location to want to update. For example, if location 100 needs the same rate and contractor assignments as location 403, you need to first open location 100, go to the bottom, and click Copy Rate Assignments. Click Open, and select location 403 as the source location for the copy process. A few important things to note. Only contractors that are active within the chain will be copied. Trades that are not enrolled at the destination location will be skipped. You can choose to overwrite existing assignments and rates, or you can skip trades that already have assignments configured. Once you click Copy Rate Assignment, the system will then copy the contractor assignments, priorities, and rates from location 403 to location 100. Once the copy process is complete, review the results and save any changes as needed. This feature helps reduce manual setup time and ensures consistent contractor assignments, priorities, and the rates across multiple locations.